Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're out, we're heading up into the mountains, the New South Wales High Country, I guess you could say. Got a camping trip on this weekend, so that'll be fun, good weather, and we're just going to do a few tracks before we sort of get to camp, have some lunch, do a few more tracks, and then yeah, go down, set up camp near the river. Should be a good weekend. The weather's going to be kind to us, so we're just going to have a poke around and hopefully get some good tracks in. Guys, I might have had a bum steer here.
He might have had a bum steer, in other words, he's not sure that he's in the right place where he thought he would be.
We've just stopped for a bit of lunch here on the track, but the track we were trying to find is a bit overgrown, and it was, yeah, we couldn't get over to it, which was a shame. That would have been a good good loop track we were trying to do, but not to worry. We're going to get back out of here. We've got a steep little climb to get out of this little valley here where we are, and sort of get back on track. And then we've got another track to try and link up shortly, so fingers crossed. So we're on a different track now. We're trying to get this one to link up with another one we know. But there's a small dead branch tree down, so we'll cut this out the way and keep going.
Are we going in the middle, or where are we going?
Probably just one cut here and we can just drag it around.
So what'd you charge your petrol up with, Scotty?
Electrolytes.
Oh, electrolytes? Oh, that's the go. I use electrolytes on my bike. Works really well. It's good stuff.
Okay, so we've come down here and we know there's a track just up here, just off the top of the ridge here. And you know, yonks ago there was a track here marked on the map, but you know, no one's been down here forever, so it's sort of gone. And I don't know if we're going to be able to link up, which is a shame. We'll just have a bit of a look around. See if we can make something happen. Careful, careful. Yeah, rightio. It's definitely that was the way to go, but you know, without a lot of work, I don't think we're getting across there. See, when I was here last time, we came down, but we were up there 100 meters, so we might try and drive up there, but yeah, there's no getting across there anytime soon.
Way! I can see what he's talking about.
So all the boys are doing a U-ey here, because there's a massive gully there just in front of me. We're not going to make it across, but the track I want is just over here behind me. So yeah, we're going to get out of here and just get on the other side of this gully and come down, and then we'll be, fingers crossed, that's the plan. But it's a steep bit of country out here and no tracks, or lack of, so yeah, good fun, good fun. a bad spot at all. See for miles and miles. We're going well. So we're going to get out of here, go find a camp, and yeah, might get a swim in, see how we go. That is really steep. I know it doesn't look like it on the camera, but that's just sort of straight up. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah.
Going up tomorrow?
Good fun going up. Yeah, you have to drop a bit of tyre pressure tomorrow, but so. Yeah, you wouldn't want it wet.
Nah.
Kids and the big kids are in the river. I just thought I'd come down and get a bit of footage, and then I'm going to jump in and join them. So we had a swim, and that was bloody awesome. Now, kids are just having some dinner. I've got a steak on the go. And it's going to be an awesome night. Really nice. We've all had dinner. Boys have just got the fire going, and just sitting around having a few drinks, telling a few yarns. But I thought I'd just walk up here, show you the campground here. Tommy's got a nice spot here, overlooking the water. We've got Darren, Paul, and Scotty up the back here. It's a ripper little spot here, and it's going to be a nice night. I think it's going to get down to about 12, and then about 32, 33 tomorrow. So the sun's just gone down, you can see the moon, first star up there. And yeah, it's quite warm, but just going to kick back, and then tomorrow morning we'll get out of here.
Yeah, maybe that trick was going to block.
Good morning everybody, it's Sunday morning now. We've all had breakfast and we're all packed up ready to go. Just waiting on a couple of guys just to chuck a few last things in the car. We've just dropped a bit of tyre pressure down, just it's a bit rough getting out of here, and going to be hot today, even hotter than yesterday, so we're trying to get out of here as early as we can.
Yeah, this is the hairpin. Yeah, it's fine.
It's just a sort of a steep, flogged out bit just here. You can see some of the IFS cars have had a bit of trouble, but hopefully everyone will get up all right. You want me to hook your winch up? Right. Oh mate, when you're ready. Rightio. Just a little winch there, and he's up. that's our weekend, guys. We're just airing up and then we're going to head home. But hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget, if you like following along on our adventures, please think about subscribing, and we'll see you next month. Thanks, guys.